Hello, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Towheed Tech. In today's video, we are unboxing GoPro Hero 11, which is a latest GoPro action camera launched in September 2022. I bought as an accessory bundle which come with a GoPro Hero 11, two high endurance battery, one handle, one head strap, one quick clip, 32 GB SD card. I also bought a GoPro media mode separately. I bought this one from directly from GoPro. Price for this one is £449. If you buy with 1 year GoPro subscription, media mode price is £59. Without further ado, let's start the unboxing.
So it's quite well secured part. So this one is media mode, which is same as a Hero 9 or Hero 10 block, or this one is a GoPro Hero 11 camera.
So we go one scan disk, extreme 32 GB memory card, and packing slip, invoice.
Let's put this one on the side first. First of all, we're going to have all of the media mode. Put that on the side. Use the knife is much easier. So there's some paperwork, media mode user guide. So we'll show you how to use media mode with the GoPro.
So let's put that paperwork on the side. So we go one clip here. The GoPro can be mounted on this one. One screw. The screw we gonna use to screw up the GoPro with a clip.
Put that on a side, or let me put that part away first so you can clearly everything, because everything in a block. So I'll put this mouse part on the side so you can see easily everything in here. Or this is a media mode, so I have a power button on the side, mode button, open just like that on the side, and you can just slide in your GoPro inside. So this one have a built-in mic inside. There's a charging port in there. You can separately edit your mic or light in here as well, external mic or external light in here, and the SD card on the side as well.
Without further ado, let's
unbox the GoPro. Very nice, packed up. Put that on the side. So this is special bundle of GoPro Hero 11 block. So first of all, that says on the side, you go one charging cable, one endurance battery, one screw, one clip, and one clip with a sticky bark on, and there's a bag in there you can see. And with the special bundle, as I said, there's gonna be handle in there and head strap and quick clip and the one extra battery. So it should be two battery altogether. And
So on the left side, that says this one have a 27 megapixel sensor. With a large new sensor, you can record 8:7 aspect ratio video, which you can use on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Reel, and YouTube Short in vertical mode. So you also can record 60:19 as a normal YouTube video as well. So this one have a endurance battery, which is cold weather resistance battery, which is better than old blue battery. And this one also have a hyper smooth 5.0, waterproof to 33 feet.
So in this one is the only minor upgrade, which is hyper smooth 5.0 stabilization.
So new 27 megapixel image sensor have 8 by 7 aspect ratio video recording feature inside, so you can able to edit the video for normal 16 by 9 for the YouTube or small video for Instagram, TikTok, like a vertical.
There's a one paperwork here. To your camera must be updated before you can use it. So I already download the Quik app in my phone.
So I use Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra.
There's a handle I can use as a vlogging. There's one screw here, and there's another clip. So this one have a sticky bark, or you can just slide in. You can connect your camera here first and screw in, then you can use in here. Put that on the side, and this is a head strap. So
you can wear this one on your head and attach a GoPro camera with this one while you are doing any action activities like cycling, running, riding a bike or hill walking. So you can record while you are doing any activities. It's quite handy to use this one. So as I mentioned earlier on, there's going to be two endurance battery. As you can see, this one is new one for the GoPro Hero 11, which is black and white strap, high endurance battery, 1750 milliamp. So compared to the old blue color battery, this one can be used in extremely cold weather and hot weather. So there's two of them. So there is another clip here. This one have a sticky back also, and you can force open and just attach to any surface just like that.
Or finally, this one is, there's one more screw, and there's a charging cable to charge your GoPro. There's one more screw here. Let me put that on the side. So says on your camera must be updated before you can use it.
So let's put that white packing tape away first. It is the same camera as Hero 9 and 10, so it's have a similar footprint to the older one. They haven't changed the design, same double screen and same lens, but there's few improvement in lens and hypersmooth 5.0 as I mentioned earlier on. So before was a 20 megapixel, now it's 27 megapixel and have a new image sensor 8 by 7 recording.
Let's take the cellophane off, the one on the camera lens as well. So we take the back cellophane off as well. This is actually no notch on the side, so there you go. So this is a mode button and the power button and the record button on the top. So we'll open up just like that, and we'll put the battery in there. And we'll switch this one on. So right now our camera is turned on.
To English, legal stuff, yes. Turn on the GPS as well, and connect to your Quik app. So I already downloaded to my phone. I'm using S22 Ultra. I already download the app.
So let's install your update.
So we have to update our GoPro before we use. So guys, our GoPro is updated and ready to use. And this is on the menu. Here we can select some option. We can change easy mode to the pro mode. As you can see in preference, there's a more option available. You can select different settings here. Display setting, you can change the GPS setting. You can control via voice control. You can change the media mode, mic option, front and back. You can adjust the date. Even you can reset the GoPro to the factory setting. Here is we are on a main camera screen. We can select the cinematic option, and there's a few more option available. We can adjust our resolution for recording, frame size, and the wide angle or super view. So in activity, we can record 4K 60 with a super view. The super view going to be 155 degree. I'm going to record some low light footage outside. I'm going to attach that one just to show you guys the performance of the new GoPro, and I'm going to take some of the low light pictures as well, and I will show you that as well. So I'm going to put the media mode on. First of all, I will switch the GoPro off, and then I'm going to take the battery door out. It is easy, just need to slide out, and then you can just put the GoPro inside the media mode and connect it properly, just like that. It's a bit hard to close the door because I applied the tempered glass screen on the lens and on the both screen, which is a little bit thick. So there you go. So that's the GoPro Hero 11 with the media mode on. I'll turn the camera on once. If you like my unboxing video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Towheed Tech, and I will see you in next unboxing video. Thank you very much for watching.